Good morning, grade 10s. This is the last two-way table that we're going to learn to draw. And we're going to look at throwing 2 dice. Okay, it says list all. Let me just quickly get my pointer out. Pointer options, laser pointer. Okay, says list all the possible outcomes when it's not actually tossing, it's throwing 2 dice. Okay. So with 2 dice, okay, so you're going to write dice number 1, list all the possible outcomes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You're going to write up dice number 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You're going to draw your tables in, and you're going to start from the top to the side. Dice number 1 is 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, or a 6, 1. Or you can throw a 1 and a 2, a 2 and a 2, a 3 and a 2, a 4 and a 2, 5 and a 2, 6 and a 2. Okay, and so it carries on. So normally the first one on top there, that one goes first. A 1 and a 3, a 2 and a 3, a 3 and a 3, a 4 and a 3. And if you had to think how many outcomes, how many blocks are you going to have altogether? 6 times 6 is 36. Okay, so there I've drawn them all in for you. Sorry for those corrections. Okay, so you're going to start from the top. 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, etc. So this is the way you would display all the possible outcomes. Now they ask you, what is the probability of throwing a double? Okay, now a double is where there's 2 numbers of the same number. So it can only be 1 and a 1, 2 and a 2, 3 and a 3, 4 and a 4, 5 and a 5, 6 and a 6. And that is 6 out of the 36. And please simplify that. Sorry, I didn't simplify there. Okay, number B. What is the probability of throwing a 1 first, followed by any number? Okay, so then you just have to go look at the column where all the ones were written first. Here's all of them with a 1 first, and they say to you, followed by any number. So it can be a 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, or 1, 6. So in total, there is 6 out of 36. And please just simplify that as well. Number C, what is the probability of throwing an even number followed by any number? Okay, so an even number would be all the 2s, all the 4s, and all the 6s over there. Okay, and in each one there's 6 numbers. So 6, 12, 18, because they say it can be followed by any number. So it is 18 over 36. And please just punch that into your calculator to get the simplified form there. Number D, now this is a little bit of a harder one. What is the probability of throwing an even number followed by an uneven number? Okay, so you can even highlight your answers and then just count how many answers you've highlighted. So if you had to first throw an even number, so it includes all the 2s over there, that column, and the 4s, and the 6s. Okay, but then the second number of those must be an uneven number. So that 2 is an even number, followed by an uneven number is 1. So there's one of them. A 2 even number, 3 uneven number, there's another one. That's number 2, or second one. And then there's a third one, a 2 and a 5. So there's 3 in each column. You can double check again. 4, 1, 4, 3, and 4, 5. 6, 1, 6, 3, and 6, 5. So it's going to be 3, 6, 9. 9 out of 36. And please again just check whether you can simplify that fraction. And that is it. We are finished with our two-way tables. And next week we're going to start with the tree diagrams. Please copy this into your book, and as well as the questions, and then just the fractions, please simplify them for me in the simplest form. and enjoy your day.